Hi, this is Vizi Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to add new profile on your Amazon Prime Video. Before you get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So let's go. Prime Video comes bundled with your Amazon Prime membership and offers an incredible library of TV shows and movies. You can also watch original content on your smart TV, phone, and streaming devices. Prime Video lets you access personalized recommendation by adding a spirit user profile in the app. And in this video, we'll show you how to add new profile on your Amazon Prime Video. It's very simple. So first of all, we have to open our Prime Video. You can open it on your apps on your mobile phone, or you can open it on the website on PC or laptop. After that, you can go to your profile in here. Click on your profile in here, and you'll find there is an option profile. You can just click on add new. You can enter the name. After that, you can choose if this profile for kids or not. If this profile for kids, you can just enable the feature movie for ages 12 and under. You can enable to go, but if not, you can just. Now you can change the profile to, and here you can choose the profile. Maybe for the example, you can choose this profile. Now, after you finish, you can just click on save changes. So here's your new profile on your Amazon Prime Video. You can use it. It's very simple, right? And if you want to manage the profile, you can just click on edit and you can manage it. Like you can lock the profile, you can choose the streaming language, or you can remove the profile if you no longer use this profile. It's very simple, right? So that is how to add new profile on your Amazon Prime Video. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.